Welcome to today's lesson. We're diving into two essential Chinese words, Judal and Liǎojiě. Although they might seem similar, each word has a unique role in the language. Let's start with Judal, which means to know or to be aware of. Think of Judal as basic awareness, just the facts, no deep details. For example, if you're aware there's a test today, you would say, 我知道今天要考试. I know there's a test today. With Judal, you're simply informed, no extra information needed. Now, let's explore Liǎojiě, which goes a step further, meaning to understand in a deeper, more detailed way. Imagine that instead of just knowing about something, you actually understand how it works. For instance, if you're familiar with how a company operates, you would say, 我了解公司的运作情况. I understand how the company operates. Here, 了解 conveys familiarity with the details and the mechanics of something. Now, let's look at some structural differences. Both Judal and Liǎojiě can connect to a person or thing, but Liǎojiě often pairs with dui to show a more nuanced, in-depth understanding. For example, you could say, 我对中国文化比较了解, or 我很了解中国文化. I have a good understanding of Chinese culture. Here's the key difference. Judal doesn't go deep. You won't use it with dui, or with modifiers like 比较 or 很 to express degrees of understanding. It's simply, I know it or I don't. When it comes to people and things, the usage varies slightly. With people, using Judal with a person means you know them by name or appearance. Using Liǎojiě with a person suggests you understand their personality, habits, or background. With things, using Judal with a thing expresses being aware of a fact or event. Using Liǎojiě with a thing indicates a comprehensive understanding of a topic or situation. To sum up, use Judal for general awareness and Liǎojiě for deeper comprehension. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using Judal and Liǎojiě like a native. See you in the next lesson.